If you're looking to learn how to include optional services, clients can select themselves without wasting time on complex setups or clunky systems. This quick tutorial will show you exactly how to do it. I've tested all the most popular platforms for this and found the easiest way to let clients pick the services they want during booking or checkout. If you stay till the end, I'll give you a key insight most people miss, plus a free trial link in the description that's exclusive to my channel, so you can follow along with the same software I'm using. Let's jump in. So let's say you're a service provider, a coach, consultant, freelancer, or any type of business that offers add-ons or custom packages. You want your client to start with a base service, but have the freedom to select optional services like extended support, faster delivery, or extra features, all without the back and forth emails. With the software we're using, it takes just a few minutes to set up. Start by creating your base service. This is the core offer clients will book or buy. Once you've added that, look for the section called add-ons, options, or sometimes upsells, depending on the platform. This is where you can start including optional services clients can select themselves. Click to add a new option, label it clearly, something like add one-on-one call or priority support. Then choose the type, checkbox for optional selections, drop down if you want them to choose one from a list, or quantity if they can pick more than one. Set a price for each option, or leave it free if it's just a preference rather than a paid extra. Add a short description so the client knows exactly what they are choosing. You can even include limits, like only allowing one per booking, or making some options required if needed. Preview the booking or checkout page to make sure everything looks smooth. You'll now see a clean layout where clients select their base service, and just below or alongside it, they can tick or choose the optional services themselves. This not only gives clients control, it also increases your average order value automatically. You're giving them the flexibility to build their perfect package without lifting a finger yourself after setup. And here's a pro tip. Group similar optional services together with collapsible menus if your platform allows. It keeps the page clean and prevents option overwhelm. We've tested this feature across platforms. Some tools overcomplicate it, others don't allow it at all without paying for expensive upgrades. But the software we're using today makes it simple, fast, and included in the free trial, linked below. Again, that trial is only available to viewers of Dan Thorne's channel. Here's the key takeaway. Letting clients select optional services themselves not only improves their experience, but it also boosts your revenue without extra work. It's one of the simplest automation wins for service businesses. Quick recap. Create your base service, add optional services using checkboxes or drop-downs, label them clearly, set prices or limits, preview the client view, and you're done. Keep it clean and make it easy to understand. Your clients will thank you, and so will your bottom line. Before you go, don't forget to take advantage of the exclusive free trial in the description. It's the easiest way to follow along and set this up in minutes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.